Hey guys, you are watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new drone review, Magic Speed X52. I had reviewed Magic Speed X53, but this time I am going to show you the features and specifications of Magic Speed X52. So let's get started. First of all, we will look towards the transmitter. This is similar transmitter. Both the gimbals are at center point, power button, photo video, camera up down if you have gimbal camera. Mine one is not. These two are trims for directions, one key takeoff, one key landing, emergency stop, return to home, headless mode. These are the speed button, means you can change the speed of your drone, and this is flip button. And on the back side you require 4 AA batteries, and that's it. Now we will look towards the accessories now. First of all, the battery. I like the battery because it is 1600 milliamp hour battery, and that's pretty big battery. You can see it comes with 400 milliamp charger. I hope you can see. This will take 4 hours to charging, and that's not good about it. I really hate that, because if the charging time is 1 hour, that will be fine. So now this is your mobile holder. You can simply connect it to the transmitter just like this, and attach your mobile phone over here to get the FPV footage of your drone. So it has 4 prop guards and 2 landing gears. I installed the screw, 1 screwdriver, and this is video stabilizer, and the main camera, 5 megapixel 1080 pixel camera. This is Wi-Fi camera. You can't install any kind of SD card in it. That is the drawback of it. So while transmitting it to your mobile phone, the quality may get lost from the FPV. 2 spare props and 1 instruction manual in 2 languages, English and Chinese, I guess. And this is your app operating instructions. This is a kind of manual. You get 2 QR codes, one for iOS, another for Android, and that's it. We will look towards the drone. You can see the drone is pretty shiny. This is red in color. It is similar to the Magic Speed X53, but propeller design is a bit different. You can see some silver buttons over here. The propeller is pretty good, but not for its quality, not flexible that much. On the bottom side, camera plug, on off switch, and camera slot here. These 4 are for the landing gears. Under the propeller you can see the attachment for prop guards. Here is the company logo. On the back side you get the battery door. you have to open it with the screwdriver, and that is again a bad drawback. The battery compartment is pretty big. This battery fits in perfectly. You can see, guys. So that's it. The flight time of this drone with this much bigger capacity battery is near about 15 minutes, roughly 15 minutes flight time, and that is good for it, because in Magic Speed X53 with a 600 milliamp hour battery you get only roughly 5 to 6 minutes of flight time without the accessories on it. So I will show you how the drone looks after assembly. So guys, after the assembly you can see the drone, which is now pretty big in size. So let me show you how to connect it with your mobile phone. First of all, turn on the quadcopter and the lights will start to blink, and put it aside. After that you have to take your mobile phone and download this application KYFPV. Oops, it's upside down. But before that you have to connect the Wi-Fi to KY1080, and after that, oops, after that press the start button, and you can see the footage right over here. So guys, you can see the footage, which is not that clear. And the one thing about this drone is you can control it with this application. Just press the on button right here and the lights will get stable just like this. And because of the altitude hold, you have to select this one so that you can control it with your phone also. This thing has a trajectory flight in it, means you can select the path by simply pressing the this button. Once you press this button and draw the path, the drone will follow that path if it is in the air, and you have to control it from your phone. So this button will take image and this will take video. This button is to see the files. This is for the photo and this is for your videos. And these are the three rated speed: 30, you can see 30, 60, 90. And this is the gyroscope, means you can just simply play it like a game. And in here you can see the gesture mode, means if the drone camera detects your palm, then it will take photo. This is the headless mode, this is the recalibration, and this is for the VR. You can see you can attach FPV goggles to your phone. This is iPad. So this thing is for reversing the camera. You can see the camera is reversed, and you can add some kind of music right here. and some filters you can see, and this is for the zooming in and out. So let us put it aside and show you how to connect it with your transmitter also. So first of all, turn the quadcopter on and turn the transmitter on also. Take the throttle, gimbal up. This will pair your drone, and downwards this will pair your remote. And to fly it, simply just take both the gimbals bottom corner. It will start the propellers, and if you just push the throttle key upwards, it will fly off to a height of near about 1 feet upward. So let me show you the indoor flight test. So guys, this is the indoor flight of Magic Speed X52. So first of all, recalibrate the drone by taking the both gimbals inward and at the bottom corners. So this will give the direction to return to home. The return to home is the minus point of this drone, because if once you press it, it just goes the direction from which it is get paired. So if the drone is flying right over behind me, it will goes more behind. So let me show you the flight. First of all, take the both gimbals bottom side. I will put the footage from the drone right below somewhere here. So just take it off by, you can see the drone is pretty stable. Some kind of trim is required to it. I'm not flying it higher because we are indoors. So this might get crashed indoors. So let me just take the camera up. You can see guys, the drone is pretty stable in its nature, and the controls are pretty smooth. You can see guys. So let me just land it. So guys, this was the test flight of the drone. You can see it's pretty stable, and now you can see the lights are pretty good in the drone as well as in the transmitter also. So sorry for the background noise, the stray dogs are not good here. So guys, you can easily detect the front path of your drone and the right path, back path I guess. The camera is pretty good. Inside the camera there is red light flashing, you can see right over here. So guys, this drone is similar to X53, and the transmitter is white in color. The color on the red one is pretty shiny, you can see. The other models won't get this kind of shine. on the quadcopter. So I suggest you to buy red color only. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.